Welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Captain. In this video, I'm going to tell you about WhatsApp new feature which WhatsApp added recently about screen sharing in video call. In this new feature of WhatsApp, you can share your screen while video calling. So it is helpful for the teachers who take classes on Google Meets or Zoom etc. apps. So let's move toward the WhatsApp where you will learn how to use screen sharing while calling a video. Open your WhatsApp application and WhatsApp has sent this message to all of the users. Tap on try it and join a group which you want to call or join a chat which you want to video call. After that, you have to tap on this share button. WhatsApp is notifying that your screen will be shared to the other person you are calling if you tap on start now button. You have to tap on start now button and your screen will be shared to that person. So by following this method, you can easily use WhatsApp new feature sharing screen to the other person. That's it for the video. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Tech Captain and I will see you in the next one.